Okay, specific heat capacity. Well, what's important about it and why is it useful? So specific heat capacity, which has the symbol C, okay, tells us how much energy an object requires to heat up by a certain amount or cool down by a certain amount. So if we have two objects here, and they should be of the same mass, this one has a high specific heat capacity and this one has a low specific heat capacity, then how much energy would they require if I wanted to heat them up from, say, 0 to 100 degrees Celsius? Well, this one, because it's got a high specific capacity, would need an awful lot of energy to come in, so it would take a long time, whereas this one would need a very little amount of energy because it's got a very low specific capacity. So to reach the same temperature, this one needs not very much energy, whereas this one needs a lot. Now what that means is this one will take longer to heat up. If we have the same amount of energy provided every second, this one will take 4 times longer than this one. It will also mean as well that not only, once they do get to a certain temperature, not only do they require a lot of energy to heat up, but also they store a lot of energy. So to cool down, this one is going to have to lose a lot of energy to cool down. So if this one is trying to cool down from, say, 100 degrees Celsius to 0, and so is this one has 4 times more energy to lose to be able to do that than this one here. So we tend to use objects with high specific heat capacities as stores of heat. So things like water we use as a very high specific heat capacity. Water is very good at storing heat, so we heat water up in solar panels and then it takes a long time to cool down. Whereas metal has a very low specific capacity. It's very quick to heat up and therefore very quick to cool down. And that's what we use specific heat capacity for.